HeyCash app. So here you can see it, surveys for money and rewards. So popular apps these days, everyone trying to get some extra cash. Welcome to HeyCash, your premier platform to earn money and receive instant cash rewards through surveys. With HeyCash, you can effortlessly complete surveys and engage with a variety of offers to boost your earnings, all from the convenience of your mobile device. HeyCash connects you to numerous earning opportunities, making it one of the top apps for easy instant cash. Whether you're at home or on the move, start turning your opinions and activities to valuable rewards. Earn money efficiently, access a variety of surveys, consistent earning opportunities. Our user-friendly interface make it easy to complete surveys. So here you have it, and then you just double click to install. Earn up to $20 daily. PayPal, Venmo, or other. Compete for prizes and cash. Earn even more. And then you can just go and create your account. So like you can, that's basically how you create an account. So let's just try it out. So this works. And then you can just get some bonuses. There are no surveys at the moment, so seems it's not yet available. So that then you can see that you need to get this kind of balance, so 7,600 points to get PayPal. It's automatically translates to another language. But yeah, you can change it, and basically you can also invite friends. So you can invite friends. So here you can use my code. Here is my code which you can use, UDZ3Y4. So invite friends. So you feel free to use it, and then you can just have it like this. So get 10% bonus 24 times. So that's basically the idea how you can use it. And so something like that.